Haryana ADA vacancy is out, but this time there is a change in the syllabus. Prelims which jeda hai only GS will come, and mains which jeda hai law subjects aange. So prelims which there is no law subject, it's totally based on GS. That means if you want to appear in mains, you firstly have to clear prelims. That is totally based on GS. So new subjects, new syllabus has been introduced. We can hope that it changes, but if it does not change, so do not depend on that ki jo change hoega we will start our preparation then. No, start now. It's possible, we can do this. Check out the previous exams by the Haryana administration जिन्ना which उन्होंने GS पूछी है in the prelim stage, so that we can know what is the level of GS that they are asking, plus that what are the main subjects. It's history, it's geography, it's Haryana GK or CSET. What are the major portions from which the questions are coming, and I will also come up with a video whenever I find out that what is the pattern of their GS exams in other exams. And yeah, it's disheartening, very shocking, because we were not expecting, as law students we are not used to GS this much. 20% GS, yes, but not a full stage. So do not give up on your hopes. You have prepared, you can do this. The exam will be coming in December, so we have time. Give it a try, give 2 to 3 hours a day, and give it a shot. You never know, because this changes for everyone. सारे उन्ने ही level ते बैठे होंगे GS दे basis ते. So you never know कि सिर्फ 40 to 50 दी cut off चली जाए. So it's not difficult to clear that. So if you can try, then it is possible to clear, right? So do not give up on your hopes. Don't get demotivated. It took me time to register this change, but it is okay. We can do this. It's possible. You can also do this. Bye.